Hope you're having a wonderful day. Oh wait, I have groceries. That's why I came on here. Groceries. I'm so tired. Today is Tuesday. We're just coming off of our long family day weekend thing. You hear growling, that's Alfie. There was a cat in our backyard and I just let him out and he is not happy. Anyway, we had a very winter-filled weekend. We went curling with my family. We went skiing with Brendan's family. We've just got dumped with so much snow, like it's actually insane. Anyway, yesterday I just made muffins when I got home and it was just a nice chill. I was supposed to go to the grocery store yesterday, but I was not feeling it. Also, not a lot of things were open. So I was like, you know what? We're just gonna eat what we had and which is blueberry muffins. So we actually went out for dinner, which was really nice. We went to Beard. But anyway, so I went to the grocery store today after work and I figured I'd just show you a little haul. So rapid fire grocery haul. Wax paper. This was a huge mistake. This is not rapid fire now. Look at how little these are. That is my index finger. This is my pinky finger for reference. These were $3.99. I'm sorry, what? Thing, little mini yellow potatoes. Okay, my fault for not actually reading the title of these things. I usually get them at Costco. I wanted them tonight for dinner and I just saw what was on sale, which are these mini things. So I guess we're having microwave potatoes today. Clementine, strawberry, frozen fruit, basil, milk, chip, broccoli, asparagus, minced turkey, chicken breast. I also have to go to Costco tomorrow morning. I'm working from home tomorrow. And to Costco when it first opens just to grab a couple little extra things that we need. Anyway, tonight we're having meatballs. So I'll show you what I'm doing for that. Brendan's on his way home early because he's not feeling very well. I'm also not feeling very well. It's not even like a cold. I hit the top of my head. I don't know how to like explain it, but like, so basically on our drive home yesterday, there was a lady and her kids like in the ditch basically, and all the snow, like we're coming down from the chalet and it was just insane amount of all the blowing snows in between snow squalls. It was a lot. So we pulled over to help this lady get out and we're like shoveling her out. Like I'm basically under her car, like stabbing the ice and the snow. We were getting like our big boots and our snow pants on to help her. I smacked my head on the trunk, hurt, and I got really dizzy really quickly, but I was like, okay, whatever, like it just hurts. We'd like get home, I'm doing all these things, blah, blah, blah. I noticed a weird stain in my hat, but I didn't think anything of it. And I was like, okay, whatever. I get in the shower and I felt like what was going on. And I don't know, I was trigger warning blood, but it was all like dried blood all over my head. And I was like, oh my God, that hurts so much. So I've just had like a lingering headache all day and I just feel just not myself. So, I mean, I know I'm fine because I lasted all of yesterday not knowing that like I hit my head pretty bad, but today I've just been like, oh my God, is this placebo? Because I know that I hit my head, but every time I move my eyebrows, I feel it here and I'm like, this is uncomfortable. Anyway, I don't know why I went into that whole tangent, but basically tonight we're having a chill night because I just don't want to do anything and I just want to chill. So that is our plan. I'm gonna put these groceries away. I'm gonna go take the dog for a quick, I mean, it's not a quick, it's like an hour walk. And then I'm gonna come back here and I'll get into making some dinner. Brendan needs to do an oil change on our cars and then we're just gonna relax. Comes at me for not washing my rice, I don't care. I don't have time for that, so we just pour and dump. like summer. Can we just take a moment to appreciate that it's like 6:30 and it's still sort of light outside? I mean, the camera's kind of heightening it. It's not as bright as it is. It's kind of blue. You don't want to make your own pasta, this is the best one. My friend got me on this and I haven't turned back. It's the President's Choice Pasta. Pesta? Have I been saying pesta this whole time? I meant to say pesto. I don't know what's wrong with me. I needed to use up the rest of this after last night's dinner, so our go-to pasta, which I'm pretty sure I got from my friend who recommended this as well, but it's the spinach and ricotta ravioli. One chicken breast left from last night's dinner, so I'm gonna give that to Brendan and I'm just gonna have this. I have myself a glass of wine because it's Friday and I'm so excited, I'm gonna pour myself some pasta because I'm starving. That's why I'm not waiting for Brendan. And then I'm going to catch up on Love is Blind. Not catch up, I haven't started yet, but I need to because my friends want to talk about it and I need to start watching it. I think it came out like 2 weeks ago, last week, I don't know what date. But also the curling is on, so I want to watch that. So there's just so much to watch and so little time. So I'm gonna take full opportunity of this evening, have myself some pasta, my wine, and just veg. I am going to end the vlog here, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this sort of week in my life kind of video, I guess. Honestly, this week was so work heavy that it just felt like a blur. I feel like I'm just constantly, by the end of the day, my face is so red and like I got acne popping out everywhere because work is just crazy right now. Anyway, now I'm just getting sidetracked, but thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you'll stay tuned and subscribe and stay tuned for my next video. If there's anything you guys want to see or what you like that I film and you want more of, please let me know. I would love some feedback. Anyway, I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!